Welcome back, everyone. I'd like to thank you for joining me for another episode of Driving the Streets of Phoenix. Yes, today we're going to go for another short drive and see what happens out there today and what's going on the streets. Doesn't look like we have a lot of traffic right now, but this is going to be exciting. We're going to have fun, and we're going to see what's up. I'd like to thank everybody for tuning in, for sure. I appreciate it. It means the world to me when you watch my videos. It means the world when you subscribe to me, and I love it when you like a video and share it. And I really, really like comments, so comment below if you can. And if anybody out there thinks you are smart with Phoenix geography, what street am I driving on right now? And where at along that street am I? Go ahead and post that comment down below and let's see what you know. All right, we're on a beautiful morning. I am excited. Red lights. Are there any streets you guys want me to drive on in Phoenix area? Let me know. Just post a comment below. Let me know what street and where at along that street. I'll be glad to videotape it for you. I think it'd be fun to get you engaged in it and have a good time. I'll even give you credit in the video. A nice little shout out. All right. We are going to be coming up on one of the most dangerous intersections in the Phoenix area pretty soon. Always have to use caution around there because we got a lot of morons. Maybe even myself included. I don't know. Something rare in the Phoenix area is that guy right there in that Dodge. He was using a turn signal. It's an endangered species in this town. Really got to watch out for homeless frogger around this area. They like to dart out into traffic. It's like a game of real life Frogger. But it is early in the morning. A lot of people are still sleeping. But for now, it looks like nothing at this intersection this morning. But I would like to thank everybody for joining me on this short little video. I'm going to sign off for now, and I will get back. Actually, I'm not going to sign off yet. Let's drive on up the street for a minute here. We're going to see what's going on up here. It is lunchtime, so I'm heading home for lunch. But I do see some flashing lights up here, and they are still on my way home for lunch. So let's see what they are. We don't have to go out of our way. Looks like they are stopped. They're not on the move. So we'll go up there and we'll get nosy and see what's happening. We got a little fire truck action. Looks like they were dealing with a homeless guy. exciting. So we're going to go to lunch now, guys. I'll talk to you later. Thank you. I appreciate you tuning in.